Hey there, and welcome to AI Mastering Hub, where we make AI easy. And I am Morena. We help small and medium-sized businesses to learn all about artificial intelligence. Why? Because we know it can seriously boost your efficiency, your customer relationships, help you with business growth, and become more profitable. In addition to that, learning AI is no more an option. So we live in a very, very fast-paced world where understanding AI can be an absolute game changer for you, especially if you're dealing with, limitations like time constraint, budgets, or staff for that matter. And by learning how to use AI in your business, whether you want to create a detailed customer journey that makes the clients feel very special and create that loyalty, or if content creation is that thorn in your side, like for so many of us, because of the constant demands from social media, or, potentially you might just need to brainstorm some ideas. We're based in Australia, but we work with clients all over the globe, and our range of services are designed to fit your unique needs perfectly. So as mentioned before, we make AI easy. We use real life case studies in our courses and workshops. And if you do a one-on-one coaching session with us, we use your challenges in your business to educate you and at the same time solve those challenges. So I offer a 30-minute free discovery session. Feel free to schedule a Zoom call with me, and I will show you exactly how you can use it in your business. And it's absolutely obligation free. Thank you. Bye-bye.